Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoho Invoice for CRM billing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Zoho Invoice website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will be prompted to choose between signing up with a Google account or entering your email. If you choose to use your email, fill in the required fields such as your name, email address, and password. Next, select the checkbox to agree to Zoho's terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've completed that, click on the Sign Up Now button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Zoho. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, you will be directed to the Zoho Invoice dashboard. Now, choose your country from the drop-down menu to ensure the correct currency and tax regulations. Fill in your business details, including the business name and address. Once you've entered the information, click Continue. Next, you'll need to set up your payment information for billing. Enter your credit card details or choose an alternative payment method. After adding the payment information, click Start Free Trial or Continue depending on the option presented. You will now be taken to a setup page to configure your first invoice. Choose a template that matches your brand or business style. Personalize your invoice by adding your logo and business information. To add clients, navigate to the Clients section from the left sidebar. Click on the Add Client button to input client details, including name, email, and billing address. You can also set payment terms specific to each client. After adding clients, return to the dashboard to create your first invoice. Click on New Invoice to begin. Fill in the necessary details such as the client, invoice date, and due date. Add line items for the services or products being billed. Make sure to include the quantity and price for each item. If applicable, apply any taxes or discounts before finalizing the invoice. Once everything looks good, preview the invoice to ensure accuracy. Finally, click Send Invoice to email it to your client directly from Zoho Invoice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.